Welcome to our 8-minute guide on negotiating real estate transactions. Today we start off with exploring the art of negotiating real estate transactions with me, Ramon Preston. Settings play a crucial role in preparing for successful negotiations. Understanding your environment can significantly influence the outcome. If you want to learn more, visit the description. Building rapport is essential in any negotiation. Establishing a connection and maintaining a positive relationship can pave the way for more favorable negotiations. Remember to utilize resources like the YouTube audio library to enhance your communication in presentations and pitches. Effective communication is key in real estate negotiations. In any negotiation, whether it's a business deal, a real estate transaction, or even a simple agreement between friends, it's crucial to truly understand the needs and desires of the other party. This understanding goes beyond just hearing their words. It involves reading between the lines, observing body language, and asking the right questions. As Alex Hormozi often emphasizes in his strategies, the ability to empathize and see the situation from the other person's perspective can significantly enhance your negotiation skills. This means taking the time to prepare thoroughly before entering any negotiation. Research the other party's background, their past deals, and their current needs. Understanding their motivations and constraints can provide you with valuable insights that can be leveraged during the negotiation process. Grasping this can be the key to crafting offers that are impossible to refuse. When you present a proposal that aligns perfectly with the other party's needs, it becomes much easier for them to say yes. For instance, if you're negotiating a real estate deal, knowing that the seller is in a hurry to close the deal can give you an edge. You can offer a quicker closing date, which might be more appealing than a higher price. Similarly, in a business negotiation, understanding the other company's pain points and offering solutions that address those issues can make your proposal stand out. It's also important to build rapport and trust with the other party. People are more likely to be open and honest about their needs if they feel comfortable with you. This can be achieved by showing genuine interest in their concerns, being respectful, and maintaining a positive attitude throughout the negotiation. Active listening is another crucial skill. Pay attention to what the other party is saying and acknowledge their points. This not only shows that you value their input but also helps you gather more information about their needs. Remember, negotiation is not about winning or losing, it's about finding a mutually beneficial solution. By understanding the other party's needs, you can create a win-win situation where both sides feel satisfied with the outcome. So, let's dive deeper into how you can master this skill. We'll explore various techniques and strategies that can help you become a more effective negotiator, ensuring that you can achieve your goals while also meeting the needs of the other party. Making the first offer can often feel like a daunting task. It's about striking the right balance between being aggressive and realistic. Remember, the first offer sets the tone for the negotiations that follow. Now, when you face objections, it's crucial to remain calm and collected. Listen carefully to understand the concerns fully and address them thoughtfully. Effective negotiation is not about winning every point, but about finding a mutually beneficial agreement. Handling objections is an art that requires patience, empathy, and strategic thinking. When objections arise, they often stem from underlying concerns or misunderstandings. The first step is to acknowledge the objection without becoming defensive. This shows respect for the other party's perspective and opens the door for constructive dialogue. For instance, if a client objects to the price of a service, instead of immediately countering, take a moment to understand their budget constraints or the value they perceive. You might say, "I understand that budget is a concern for you. Can you share more about your expectations and what you are looking to achieve?" This approach not only validates their concern, but also provides you with valuable information to tailor your response. Next, it's important to clarify the objection. Sometimes what is initially presented as a price issue might actually be a concern about the return on investment or the timeline. Asking open-ended questions can help uncover the real issue. For example, "Can you tell me more about what specifically concerns you about the price?" Or, "What outcomes are you hoping to see from this investment?" Once the objection is clearly understood, address it directly and honestly. Provide evidence, examples, or testimonials that can help alleviate their concerns. If the objection is about price, You might highlight the unique value your service offers, such as superior quality, exceptional customer support, or long-term benefits. If it's about the timeline, discuss your track record of meeting deadlines and the steps you take to ensure timely delivery. Remember, the goal is not to dismiss the objection, but to engage in a meaningful conversation that leads to a solution. Sometimes this might mean making concessions or finding a middle ground. For example, offering a flexible payment plan or a trial period can demonstrate your willingness to work with the client and build trust. In summary, handling objections effectively involves staying calm, listening actively, clarifying the real issue, and addressing concerns with empathy and evidence. By doing so, you not only resolve the immediate objection, but also strengthen the relationship and pave the way for a successful negotiation. Closing the deal is the culmination of all your efforts. It's important to review all terms carefully and ensure that both parties are satisfied. A successful close requires clarity and the commitment to uphold every agreement made. To recap, we've navigated through making the first offer, handling objections, and finally, closing the deal. Remember, successful negotiation is an art that combines patience, precision, and preparedness. Keep honing these skills and you'll find your negotiations becoming smoother and more successful. Throughout this journey, we've delved into the intricacies of making that crucial first offer. It's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding the needs and motivations of the other party. By putting yourself in their shoes, you can craft an offer that is both compelling and fair. Handling objections is another critical skill we've covered. Objections are not roadblocks, but opportunities to address concerns and build trust. By listening actively and responding thoughtfully, you can turn objections into stepping stones towards a successful deal. Closing the deal is the culmination of all your efforts. It's where your patience, precision, and preparedness truly pay off. Remember, every negotiation is a learning experience. Each one hones your skills and prepares you for the next challenge. Keep studying, keep practicing, and keep pushing your boundaries. The more you negotiate, the better you become. Seek feedback from mentors and peers. Their insights can provide valuable perspectives and help you refine your approach. Attend workshops and training sessions to stay updated with the latest strategies and techniques in negotiation. Reflect on your experiences. What worked? What didn't? How can you improve? Set goals for your future negotiations and strive to achieve them. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each milestone is a testament to your growth and progress. Confidence comes from preparation and experience. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. In conclusion, negotiation is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Embrace the process, stay committed, and success will follow. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We wish you all the best in your future negotiations. Keep striving for excellence, and remember, every negotiation is an opportunity to grow and succeed. To learn more about real estate, visit the link to my course below.